Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Now that our website look very professional, as you can see here, we need to make one more thing to make it even more professional. When visitors come to our website and read that domain, youtube4gamers.blogspot.com, they will feel that this website is not professional. It has a very long domain that is not easy to remember, and they won't come back to your website. So I recommend spending $1 or $2 in buying a domain and linking it to your Blogger website. You have a free hosting, so the next step is buying a domain for $1 or $2 to make your website more professional. This doesn't mean that this website with this domain won't work for you and won't make money for you. It will make money if you worked hard on it and published high quality articles, but I recommend that buying a domain, standalone domain, for better search engine results and for better and more professional look for your website. You can do that by going to settings, as you can see here, then okay, now we want to settings, basic, then in the publishing section there is the blog address. This is our default blog address. You can set up a third-party URL for your blog, or you can edit this one. You can edit this one and choose another name, but we want this option, set up a third-party URL for your blog. As you can see, this is a very straightforward third-party domain settings. You just need to enter your domain settings here and choose the way to link it and make a Blogger connected to your domain. First thing, let's see where we can find a domain. There is a lot of websites offering domains with coupons. So if we went to GoDaddy.com, as you can see, let's search for a domain. Let's say gamers and see